Hello students, 10th math first. First lesson is linear equation in two variables. Now we math take. So पहिला lesson आहे linear equation in two variables. So what is linear equation in two variables? An equation which containing two variables and the degree is variable is one. It's called linear equation in two variables. अशी इक्वेशन जिच्यामध्ये टू व्हेरिएबल्स आहेत आणि त्या व्हेरिएबलची जी डिग्री आहे पॉवर आहे ती नेहमी एक असेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथे दिलेलं आहे ax प्लस by प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. इथं x आणि y हे दोन्ही काय आहेत तर हे दोन्ही व्हेरिएबल्स आहेत. दीज आर द व्हेरिएबल्स and a B and C. These are the real number. So these types of equation we call the linear equation in two variables. For example, 2x plus 3y plus c is equal to 0. इथे x आणि y हे दोन्ही व्हेरिएबल्स आहेत. 2, 3 आणि इथे 1 हे काय तर हे रियल नंबर्स आहेत. अशा प्रकारचे इक्वेशन्स हे लिनियर इक्वेशन आहेत आणि त्यामध्ये टू व्हेरिएबल्स आहेत. द बेसिक कन्सेप्ट ऑफ रियल लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल्स. सो दिस इज द बेसिक कन्सेप्ट. First, a is not equal to 0. B is not equal to 0. And second is degree. इसको हम त्याला आपण पावर असं म्हणतो. पावर किती असली पाहिजे 1 असली पाहिजे. So basic concept, the linear equation in two variables. A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0, A आणि B हे दोन्ही 0 असतील. डिग्री आणि पॉवर इट शुड बी 1. डिग्री आणि पॉवर ही नेहमी 1 असली पाहिजे. असं इक्वेशन हे लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल्स असते. In our textbook, page number 1, there are one activity given for us. That activity is complete the table. There is a table that number equation and the equation is a linear equation in two variables. There are 7 equations and we can solve. We can identify if these equations are linear equation in two variables. दिलेले इक्वेशन हे लिनियर इक्वेशन आहे, व्हेरिएबल्स आहे किंवा. सो वी राइट yes or no. If this equation is linear equation in two variables, we write yes, and if not, we write no. So first example is 4m plus 3n is equal to 2. So you see in this equation there is m and n are two variables. 4, 3. These are the real. The basic concept is a and b should not be 0. A and b 0 नहीं है. Degree power should be as 1. Degree and power या variable ची 1 आहे. So yes, this is the linear equation. The linear equation. Second example आहे 3x square minus 7y is equal to 30. तो बघितलं, the power of this x is 2. And the basic concept of the linear equation is the power and degree has to be 1. So the degree is 2. That's why this is not a linear equation. हे लिनियर इक्वेशनच्या बेसिक कन्सेप्ट मध्ये बसत नाही, कारण याची पॉवर डिग्री काय आहे 2 आहे. आणि बेसिक कन्सेप्ट असं म्हणते की पॉवर किंवा डिग्री किती असली पाहिजे 1 असली पाहिजे. सो वी राइट हियर नॉट अ लिनियर इक्वेशन, not a linear equation. Third equation is under root 2x minus 5 under root y is equal to 16. There is under root 2 and under root 5 has some value. They are not 0. And x and y, these are the variables. So this equation is a linear equation in two variables. Yes. Yes. This is the linear equation. Fourth one, 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. You see, there is a 0 value of this variable. So this is not linear equation. Because of the basic concept say a and b should not be 0. So a हा काय आहे 0 आहे, त्यामुळे तो linear equation होऊ शकत नाही. So we write here not a linear equation. Fourth one is not linear equation. Fifth one, fifth 0.3x plus 0. Again, here is a variable. This y is variable. Value of this y is 0. The variable ची value 0 आली आहे. That's why we cannot say this is a linear equation. So right here, this is not a linear equation. Fifth one is not linear equation because the value of variable is 0. Sixth one, 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 2. This is a complicated example, but we can convert it like this. 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. We assume this. Whenever we assume this, when we putting the value in this equation, so 1 upon x, it means u and value of 4 plus 5v is equal to 4. These types of equation we call linear equation. But this equation is not given this form. That's why we cannot say this equation is linear equation in two variables. So we write here not a linear equation. Seventh one is 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. You see, in this equation, x and y, these two variables are together. x आणि y हे दोन्ही व्हेरिएबल सोबत आलेले आहेत. सोबत आल्यामुळे ते लिनियर इक्वेशनच्या बेसिक कन्सेप्ट मध्ये बसत नाही. दॅट्स वाय वी कॅनॉट कॉल दिस टाइप्स ऑफ इक्वेशन linear equation in two variables. So we write here not a linear equation. So using this basic concept, we can easily identify given equation is a linear equation or not. So we can easily complete this. And the next is the stimulus linear equation. Linear equation in two variables. The next topic of this lesson is simultaneous linear equation. What is simultaneous linear equation? When we think about two linear equations, these types of two linear equations in two variables at the same time, they are called simultaneous linear equations. This is the only one equation, and these two equations, when we solve these types of equation, we call as simultaneous linear equation. So how to solve this simultaneous linear equation? There is elimination method, easily solved to these types of equations. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. This is the, we assume it first equation. 3x plus y is equal to to second equation. You see, there is a opposite sign, but there is no same pair. When opposite side and same pair are given in equation, we easily eliminate. So we first convert this by 3y and then we can eliminate this equation. So multiply by 3. We can multiply the second equation by 3. Right here, multiply second equation by 3. So when we multiply, it convert like this: 3 into 3, 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. So this is the third equation. And the first equation is 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. So this is the first equation. So adding right here, and this equation minus plus 3y, opposite side and same pair. We can eliminate it, cancel it, and then add the first 9x plus 5x is equal to 14x, 6 plus 8 and 4. So there is 14x is equal to 14. This 14 is multiplied here. When we convert it, it goes to other side and divide. So 14 ones are 14, 14 ones are 14. X is equal to 1. The value here, x is equal to 1. Then we can put this value in any equation, first, second, third, and we get value of y. So placing x is equal to 1 in equation first. On the equation first, what is equation first? 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. So put the value of x. 5 into 1 minus 3y is equal to 8. 5 into 1, 5 minus 3y is equal to 8. This 5 is plus here. So whenever it go to this side, it is minus. So 3y is equal to 8 minus 5. 3y is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So this 3 is multiply here. Whenever it go to other side, it divide. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Y is equal to 1. Here is a value, y is equal to 1. And we write solution is x and y is equal to 1 and 1. So this is the simultaneous linear equation, and by using eliminator method we can solve easily for this type. So this is the simultaneous linear equation, and after that we study practice set 1.1 how to solve these types of equation. First lesson, linear equation in two variables, practice set 1.1. तर practice set 1.1 मध्ये first question is complete the activity. There is activity given for us. This is the simultaneous linear equation and how to solve it. The given process is incomplete. We can complete this activity, complete this equation, complete this solution. So let's start. The equation is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Add. So whenever adding it, you see there is opposite sign minus and plus and same pair. So we can easily eliminate this. This 3y plus 3y and minus 3y is cancelled. 5 plus 2, 8x. 9 plus 10, 21. Sorry, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So this 7 is multiplied here. 21 upon, whenever it goes to other side, it's divide. 7 divided by 21, x is equal to 3. 7 1 is 7, 7 is 20. So it is x value is 3. So we put this value, we substitute this value in equation 1. So place x is equal to 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is 5x minus 3y is equal to 9. So x value of x is 3. 5 into 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. So 5 into 3, 15. This 15 is come to this side. 3y is equal to 9 minus 15. We cannot minus 15 from 9. So we minus 9 from 50 and then we put minus sign. So 9 minus 15 is equal to 6. So minus 6, the value of solution minus 6. So minus 6, this 3 is multiplied. So whenever it comes to other side, it's divide. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. The value of y is minus 2. The value of y is minus 2. And the solution right here, x and y, x value is 3 and y's value is minus 2. So we can easily solve this activity by using simultaneous equation, by using the elimination method. This is the first example. We then solve next example. If you want to write it, pause video, write it. If you want to write it after the watching full video, you can write all the examples pausing by video. Practice set 1.1. Second question. Second मतलब पहला क्वेश्चन है 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. A plus 5b is equal to 2. Simultaneous equation. The simultaneous equation. You can solve this equation. Write this form. Write it first. Solution. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Assume it for equation. A plus 5b is equal to 22. Second equation. So there is same pair, but there is not opposite side. So you may remember the two rules of this simultaneous linear equation. That is, one is same pair and second is opposite side. जर सेम पेयर असतील तर आपण त्यांना कॅन्सल करू शकतो. अपोजिट साइड असतील ते कॅन्सल करू शकतो. बट देयर इज नो द अपोजिट साइड, देयर इज नॉट opposite side. So we can subtract that and right here whenever we subtract this type's equation, the sign is changed. So there is plus, right here minus, here is plus, right here minus, here is plus, right here minus. So this side will come out. So minus plus, same pair is cancelled. 3a minus a, it means 2a is equal to 26 minus 2, 4. 2a is equal to 4. This is multiply here, whenever you come to this side, it's divide. So 4 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. A is equal to 2. The value of A is 2. The value of A is 2, and we substitute this value, replace this value in first equation. So put right here, put A is equal to 2 in equation first. What is equation first? 3A plus 5B is equal to 26. So A की value 3 into 2 plus 5B is equal to 26. 3 2s are 6 plus 5B is equal to 26. 5B. The 6 is plus here. Whenever it comes to this side, it's minus, it subtract from this number. 5B is equal to 26 minus 6 is it is 20. So B is equal to 20 upon 5. This 5, whenever it comes this side, it is multiplied, and whenever it comes this side, it is divided. 5 ones are 5, 4 fours are 20. So B is equal to 4. This is the value of B. We write the solution x and y is equal to 2 and 4. So this is your simultaneous equation. You can easily solve using eliminated method, but you know the rules are same pair and opposite side. जर इथे सेम पेअर आहे तर आपण त्यांना कधी कॅन्सल करू शकतो जर त्यांच्या साइन अपोजिट असतील, म्हणजे प्लस आणि मायनस, आणि जर त्या दोन्ही सेम असतील तर आपल्याला त्या चेंज कराव्या लागतात. त्यांचं सबट्रॅक्शन करून त्या चेंज होतात आणि त्या पद्धतीने आपण ते सॉल्व्ह करतो. 9th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये सुद्धा या प्रकारचे एक्झाम्पल आपण सॉल्व्ह केले होते. हीच मेथड मागच्या वर्षी आपण वापरली होती, तीच मेथड या वर्षी आहे. अशा प्रकारे प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1 मध्ये सेकंड त्यातलं फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल हे आपण सॉल्व्ह केलं. तुम्हाला लिहायचं असेल तर तुम्ही पॉज करा, घेऊन घ्या आणि मग नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पलचा आपण प्रयोग करूया. कुठेही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर आपण पर्सनली व्हॉट्सअपवर त्या एक्झाम्पलचा नंबर आणि तो प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये कुठे समजलं नाही ते आपण मेन्शन करून मला पाठवू शकतो. नेक्स्ट इज सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. Set 1.1 second बदला. Second example, x plus 7y is equal to 10. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Solution, right? X plus 7y is equal to 10. As in the first equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. As in the second. You see, there is a opposite sign, plus and minus, but there is a no same pair. Same pair नहीं है, opposite sign आहे, plus आणि minus आहे, पण numbers same नहीं है, pair same. So how we can convert it? How we get the same pair? So we want to multiply this equation. या 2 ला या फर्स्ट इक्वेशन मध्ये मल्टिप्लाय करायचं, मल्टिप्लाय 2, आणि या 7 ने या इक्वेशन ला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. राइट हियर मल्टिप्लाय फर्स्ट इक्वेशन फर्स्ट म्हणूया, इक्वेशन फर्स्ट बाय 2 and second by 7. When we multiply it, convert like this: 2x plus 14y is equal to 20. Simple equation. We are in third, and 7 bits are 21x plus 7 bits are 14y is minus is equal to 7 7s are 14. So we are in 4. So There is same pair, opposite side. We can easily eliminate this. So, add. Same pair, opposite side, cancel. 21 plus 2, 23x is equal to 20 plus 49, 9 plus 0, 9, 4 plus 2, 6. So 23x is equal to 69. X is equal to 69 upon 23. These three divide here. 23 once again 23, 2 are 59. X value is x ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला इथे मिळाली आहे. x ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 3. X is equal to 3 in equation 1. So when we putting these types of value in equation 1, what is equation first? X plus 7y is equal to 20. X value 3 plus 7y is equal to 10. 7y is equal to this 3 is minus from this 10. 7y is equal to 10 minus 3, 7. So y is equal to 7 divided by 7. This 7. When you come in, other side is divide. 7 and 7, 7. Y is equal to solution. Right here, x and y is equal to 3 and 1. So we can easily solve this example. Convert this number and convert the sign by the elimination method. If you know the rules are same pair and opposite side. जर ते सेम पेअर नसतील तर ते मल्टिप्लाय करून आपल्याला आणावे लागते आणि मग आपल्याला अपोजिट साइन जर असेल तर आपण त्याला इझिली एलिमिनेट करून एक्झाम्पल सोल्युशन x आणि y च्या व्हॅल्यू आपण इझिली काढू शकतो. दिस इज सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. आफ्टर दॅट वी स्टडी थर्ड एक्झाम्पल. Third example, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. 2x plus y is equal to 3. So, how to solve? Solution. Right? 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. As in first equation, 2x plus y is equal to 13. Assume it second equation. So student, there is plus and minus opposite sign, but their numbers, their pairs are not same. This first pair is same. So what we do? We can change the sign and then we eliminate this number. So right here, subtract. Whenever we subtract it, the sign is also changed. So change the sign. There is plus, minus, minus, minus. This sign is under. So minus plus cancel. This is minus, this is minus. Minus minus convert it to plus. So 3y plus y, it means it 4y. 13 minus 9 means here is minus 4. So y is equal to 4 divided by 4. This 4 is multiplied here. When you come to other side, it's divide. 4 ones are 1, 4 ones are 1. Y is equal to 1. The y value is 1. So we get y value and we put this value in equation first. So right here, put y is equal to 1 in equation 1 first. What is equation first? 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. So put the value. What is the value? 2x is equal minus 3 y ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 1 इज इक्वल टू 9. x minus 3 1 3 is equal to 9. So x is equal to, this 3 is minus here, whenever it comes to other side it's plus. 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3, x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 2 is multiply here, whenever it comes to other side it's divide. 2 1 2, 6 x is equal to 6. This is the value of x. When we write the solution, x and y is equal to, x value 6 and y value is 4. So you can solve with simple, very simple. Write it down.